Alright, so some of you are probably here from the short that I made, basically how to take a fuse out of your Camaro to make it a little bit louder. It's like a free hack. Basically you take out a 10 fuse in the back and that controls the baffle. Baffle stays open. This works on V6 and V8 models, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. First thing you want to do is pop your trunk, whether it's on your key fob or in your vehicle right here. Mine, if you're wondering, is a V8. It's a 2014 SS, single exhaust. Okay. Basically, what you want to do is, yes, I work out of my Camaro. I do construction on the side, but you know, hang me for it, whatever. So basically, what you want to do is, you have these plastic screws here. Just basically want to take these off. These hold the body panel. So you're going to want to take these off here. Got one right there also. Okay, got one more here. And we have the same on the other side. Bear with me. I mean, you know, I'm in real time, so you guys could just fast forward. I mean, this is gonna take me, I guess you could fast forward maybe like a minute. This is gonna take me like a minute longer, maybe 30 seconds, not even. Or you can stay with me. If you ride or die, you a real nickel, you stay with me. Alright, so I'm almost done. Okay? Jesus. Give me a break. Alright. Okay. I know the camera keeps jumping around from side view to straight up and down view. I'm sorry about that. I'm new to YouTube. I'm new to doing this, so, you know, cut me some slack. Next thing you want to do is pull out this panel here. Oh, look at these cool guys. The mild ones. All right, so next thing you want to do is pull out this panel right here, all right? The whole panel. The whole thing's going to come out. Okay? Pull out this panel. You could leave it in there. You could put it outside your car. I'm going to put it outside the car because I'm going to just put it outside the car. All right. Next thing you want to do is make sure you know, the ones these that you took off over here, make sure you like put these over here, because what you're about to do next might make them, you know, jump around or go underneath there. You don't want to lose them, you know. So you want to peel this back right here. First of all, move your stuff, your shit out the way. Don't be like me. Pull this panel right here, right? Or this carpet. And in here, I don't know if you guys could see. So, all right. So in here, there's a fuse box. That fuse box right there, okay? Don't mind my hands. I got compound and caulk all over my hands from earlier working. So that's your fuse box there. The fuse. So basically, what you want to do is grab the fuse box with your thumb on the top and your middle finger on the bottom. See my middle finger? See my thumb? Squeeze both like that, and it'll come right off. If you look at it, right? Sorry, I live next to a train. If you look at it, focus. If you look at it, it says So right here, 10A, F8 exhaust flap. It's a 10A. So this one right here, see? I actually already took mine out. So I'm gonna put it back in so you guys can see where it is, where it goes, okay? This is the 10 right here. It's a little old fuse, all right? So it was F8. If you look at this, F8 is gonna be the second one down. The second one down of the second row in under R1 spare, all right? So that's gonna be this, that's gonna be this slot right here, next to the 5. Yup, next to the 5. So if you look back at this, it should be next to the 5. And it is next to the 5. So I'm gonna take this, because I already took it out. I'm gonna put it back in so you guys see where it goes. Give me a minute. Nope, that's crooked. Okay. That's where it goes. Okay. Take a real good look at it. There we go, focus. All right, so basically what you're going to, so this is how it's going to look when you guys open this panel up. Your 10's going to be right there, chilling. What you want to do is almost grab it the same way you grab the cover. Your thumb on the top and your pointer finger on the bottom, or middle finger. If you have a fuse puller, that's even better. But if you ghetto like me, pull it out like this. Look at that booger. I'm gonna eat it. Save that for later. All right, so when you do that, put this back on, you know, because you don't want to be sloppy. Put this back on, and then put this panel back on here. Damn, I just had to give somebody the button because I was making this video. And he's a cool guy too. So put this panel back on here, right? Just like that, and then put this panel back on, same way we put it on. And it's just gonna be like any other body panel. Put it in place and smack it, or some shit like that. Yep, smack it. Damn, I keep having to give this guy the button. He keeps calling. So anyways, yep, get it in place. You might have to work it a little bit, but there we go. And then, long story short, put all these, screw all these back in, same way you put them on. It ain't rocket science, okay? Screw these back on, okay? People keep calling me, so I'm gonna cut this video a little short because these people keep calling me. So you see what I'm doing? You see this? I'm putting this on like that. Boom. You put the rest of these on like, damn it. You put the rest of these on like that. And yeah, you know, put your car back to normal. So after you do that, your baffle should be open. If you have a dual exhaust, you can actually see your baffle. I'll start the car and, you know, rev it and shit for you guys, but I don't know, like, I don't got anybody to, you know what, maybe if I put the phone back here, hold on, let me see. The phone's gonna be sideways, so, like, bear with me, all right? Nah, I got this. Okay. yeah. So that about does it. So that's what you got to do to make your Camaro louder, I guess. I got people I got to call back, so I'm gonna end the video right there. All right. Peace. Oh yeah, like and subscribe if if this was useful. Like and subscribe, and I'll make more stuff. I know I'm like not that good at it, but if you guys like and subscribe, maybe it'll make me more motivated to do more shit. You know what I'm saying? So thank you for watching, and I'll be making more videos. So stay tuned.